Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to do a transparent background on your Instagram story. If you have photo that you want to make a transparent background of that photo, then this video is for you. First of all, open your Instagram application and hit on the plus button which is on the bottom. Then select the photo in which you want a transparent background. Then click on the three dots on the top right corner. There you will see an option of draw. Select that and choose the according color. Once you choose that, choose the brush from the top and then start selecting the photo part only and then erase the photo section. Then your transparent background will be created. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.